And the island nation of Jamaica was once in Hurricane Matthew's path.
But that system, it veered east. Thank goodness for them. Local 10 News reporter Ben Kennedy is live in Kingston, Jamaica, where they really dodged a bullet. Ben.
Lori and Calvin, you're right. A sense of relief tonight here in Kingston, Jamaica, that Hurricane Matthew did not cause major destruction. Yes, we did have some damage, but today's focus is on that cleanup. We saw crews calling in a tractor trailer to clear roads after the outer bands of Hurricane Matthew caused large waves to crash the coast. It's there we saw the first signs of the storm, which brought heavy rains, turning roads into rivers. Back live to the city, it is a very different story. The waves have gone down, the waters are now calm. People are removing those boards upon the windows as things get back to normal. That is the latest here live in Kingston, Jamaica. Ben Kennedy, Local 10 News.
Breathing